Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add noise in Krita. To begin, select the layer you want to add noise to in your layers docker, or duplicate it first to preserve your original. Next, go to the top menu and click Filters, Other, then Random Noise. This opens the Random Noise Filter dialog, where noise will be applied to the selected layer. In the Random Noise dialog, you'll see controls such as Level. This adjusts how strong the noise effect is. Increase the level to add more visible noise. You'll also see opacity and other knobs that help fine-tune how the noise looks before applying. After you've set your values, click OK. Krita will apply the noise effect directly to your layer. If it looks too strong, use undo or lower the layer opacity in the layers docker to blend the noise better with your art. If you want more control or different noise types, you can also use GMIC QT by going to Filter, then Start GMIC QT, Degradations, then Add Noise, which provides extra noise styles and settings. Hide and Control here lets you adjust scale and intensity before finalizing. And that's how you add noise in Krita. Thanks for watching.